Welcome, thanks again, and I want to congratulate you guys for opting into my No Secret for making money from home, my new video series, the new product launch that I'm talking about, built around this particular automated system. And so in this video, I want to talk about two things, guys. Number one, I want to talk about what just happened to you. And number two, I want to talk about why, if you're not already, you want to start building your own email marketing list. So first, let's talk about what happened to you. You guys were cruising the internet somewhere, right? Or you saw a Craigslist ad, or you might even answer or responded to a postcard. And what you did was you found me on a page that looks exactly like this one, or something similar, because I'm creating several pages. So it might have not been this one, but it might have been something like this. Anyway, you gave me your name and your email address, and you opted into a page that looks exactly or somewhat like this one. Actually, what it did was redirected you to my No Secret to making money building an email list. My Build a List, Build a Business Extreme email marketing crash course. Right? Now, let me tell you guys something. Number one, let's talk about why you want to be building your own list. First of all, if you can build a list, you can build a business. Let's just get that out of the way. Second, if you can build a list, you can build a relationship with tens of thousands of people, right? And you can continue to correspond and connect with those people anytime that you want to, right? Does that make sense, guys? Anytime that you want to. Number two, you can market and promote anything that you want to, guys. Now, special note. You build a list, you make sure you understand who your particular target audience is. And so when you talk about marketing and promoting to that list, you want to market and promote products that's complementary to the niche that you actually are in. For instance, in this particular instance, we're talking about the work from home, make money, right? We're talking about the work from home, make money niche, right? Work from home, earn extra income, affiliate marketing. That's what we're talking about. That's the niche. So if you understand your niche and your target audience, you don't want to just keep coming at them with business opportunity after business opportunity after business opportunity, right? Everybody already have enough business opportunities, right? What we need as internet marketers, and what most internet marketers and home-based business entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, MLMers, what they need is more exposure, right? So that's why I built this particular platform around two of the most popular evergreen niches on the online market space. The work from home, make money niche, and the lead generation list building niche. They go hand in hand with each other, right? It's an ideal marriage made in heaven. So when you can start building your own list, think about the fact that there are 200,000 plus brand new people looking for ways to work from home and make money online. But what are those people going to need, right? Once they get their business opportunity, they're going to need exposure. You need exposure. Right? And so when you can couple that particular or those particular niche markets, right? And you can put them together and you can provide a solution to people, because everybody wants to make more money. So if you're trying to make more money, you need exposure. So we talk about that marriage made in heaven. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Okay? You guys came through the system. You answered or responded to an email that I sent you. And so you're on this video. How cool is that? Building your own list and building your own business is probably one of the most cost-effective ways you can start making money online today. And with the present state of the economy, guys, I seriously suggest you consider building one. So again, I want to thank you guys to my list. I want to thank you guys for actually stopping by to check this information out. If you guys are on YouTube, welcome to you guys too. If you haven't already locked into your system, guys, you can actually click the link right below this video if you're on YouTube. If you guys are on my list, you'll become right to this page. So just click the link, access your new system, guys. Get inside, check these bullet points out, read about all the different benefits is now available to you guys through this system, guys. This is not a business opportunity. I'm going to say that again. This is not another business opportunity, guys. What this is an opportunity for you to start building a business of your own. And you're going to find that out when you click the link below, guys, and unlock your free system. I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys for being on this one. As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep banging.